Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review Purito Vitamin C Serum and I'm going to compare it to Klairs Vitamin C Serum. I have been using Klairs Vitamin C Serum for more than 1 year. For Purito, I have started using this for 2 months. I love Klairs Vitamin C Serum because it worked really well on my skin and it didn't break me out, it didn't give me any irritation, and I was really happy with this Vitamin C Serum. But Klairs has few limitations. First, they have this packaging issue. Their vitamin C serum comes in a transparent bottle with a dropper, and you know that vitamin C serums, they are very sensitive, they are prone to oxidation. When you have this serum in a transparent bottle, what happens? It is exposed to sunlight, lights very easily, and the dropper bottle, what happens? You expose it to air whenever you open this thing. Where Purito uses palm bottle for their vitamin C serum, which is great, and their bottle is tinted, so it is way more protected than the Klairs one. So packaging wise, obviously Purito wins because I prefer palm bottle for any kind of serum, and especially for vitamin C serum. I personally keep my vitamin C serum in the freezer because they can oxidize. When it oxidizes, it's not going to work. Secondly, we have the quantity. The quantity wise, Klairs we have 35 ml of product, and Purito we get 60 ml of product. But it is not about the quantity, it is about the quality. So let's discuss the ingredients. Klairs has great ingredients. It has 5% ascorbic acid and Purito has 10% ascorbic acid. So Purito vitamin C serum is stronger than Klairs. But if you are starting with vitamin C serum, you should start with like a low percentage of actives. If you are a beginner, 10% might be too much for you. So you can start with this 5% and then slowly you can build up the level. Then Klairs has 5 peptides in this serum and Purito has 1 peptide. Klairs has Centella acetica, grapefruit extract. Purito has turmeric root extract, magnolia bark extract. Then it has broccoli extract. I think Klairs even has broccoli extract. But why I prefer Purito over Klairs? Klairs has 2 essential oils in this serum, lavender oil and orange peel oil, which can be really sensitizing. And Purito, it doesn't have any essential oil. It doesn't contain any artificial fragrance as well, so it smells a little weird, but it is not overbearing, it doesn't linger. And the Klairs vitamin C serum, it has water in this formula, where this Purito serum, it has sodium hyaluronate water. So if you see ingredient wise, this Purito serum is more concentrated. Now let's talk about the performance. Klairs one, when I started using this serum, I used to have dark spots, uneven skin tone. It really helped me there. Just one thing I didn't like about this serum. No, actually 2 things. These are the packaging and the fact it had essential oils. Except that, this serum is perfect. The texture and the feel of this serum is somewhat, it is like dry oil. You touch it, you feel oily, then after a while it's not oily anymore, you get it. This is not sticky, this is not greasy. It is nourishing and hydrating, and I really like this serum. And the Purito one, I have been using this for 2 months. Initially I used 3 pumps of this serum and it was really excess, and it really made my skin irritated. I had few bumps here and there, and it was my mistake. I was overdoing with this serum. Then I started using this just 1 pump, then it was all good. I didn't have any issues with this serum. Performance wise, I couldn't taste its full potential because now I don't have much issues with my skin. I don't have much dark spots or uneven skin or textures, which I had when I had been using Klairs. So with my skin, Purito vitamin C serum didn't have to do the hard work, but it makes my skin feel brighter. It makes my skin hydrated, and I really love the feel of it. It has this watery texture. It absorbs into my skin really well. Overall, I really love the Purito serum. Okay, now let's come to the conclusion. Which one is better? I prefer Purito one because we get more amount of vitamin C in this serum, and the ingredients, it doesn't have any essential oils. The packaging is really good and the performance is decent. And Klairs, it is a very good vitamin C serum, but I really wish they didn't have this transparent dropper packaging and this essential oils in this formula. Otherwise, this is a great serum too. But for me, I choose Purito for these certain reasons. So that's all for now. I hope you found my video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. It really motivates me. So subscribe and click the bell icon, and see you very soon because I make videos almost every day. So till then, bye bye. Take care.